Hello, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Health Awareness Channel. Today, we'll be talking about a particular virus, commonly known as HPV. That is human papillomavirus. This virus is the most common sexually transmitted disease that affects both men and women. This virus can as well affect people of all ages. It's important you know about this virus, and that is why I plead that you follow me on this video while I put you through on how this virus infects people, how you can get the virus, how you can know if you have the virus, and how you can prevent this virus from spreading and also protect yourself against this virus. It's very, very important you follow me on this video. This virus, commonly called HPV, is very deadly because it can lead to a very complicated health condition, that is cancer. And the most common cancer that is caused by this particular virus is the cervical cancer. Most cases of cervical cancer is caused by human papillomavirus. And the worst part is that you can have this virus for years without showing the symptoms. You can carry it for years without knowing. And the worst part of it is that as you are carrying this virus, you can transmit it to others while it's asymptomatic in your body. This is why it's very, very important you get to know about this virus and how you can prevent it, protect yourself against the virus, and also help prevent the spread of this virus. Human papillomavirus is a group of viruses that can infect humans and cause diseases. These viruses are commonly known as HPV. HPV is the most common sexually transmitted disease that can affect both men and women. This virus affects people of all ages. Different strains of this virus causes different symptoms, ranging from harmless warts that develops on the skin, the mouth, the throat, and the genital organs. These warts at times disappear on their own without treatment. Some strain of this virus can lead to more complicated cases like cancer. HPV is commonly associated with cervical cancer. HPV is responsible for almost all the cases of cervical cancer. Other types of cancer associated with HPV are penile cancer, anal cancer, and some type of the head and neck cancer. How do I know if I have this virus? Most people with HPV don't show any symptoms. The virus can stay in the body for years without showing any symptom. The most likely symptoms of HPV is warts. Genital warts can appear in the genital area, skin, lips, the tongue, and they can cause pain, discomfort, or itching. Most of the times, HPV that affects the head and the neck may cause no symptom at all, or it may cause symptoms such as swollen lymph nodes or sore throats. Other symptoms of HPV infection can include difficulty swallowing or change in the voice. This virus affects people of all ages. Babies get this virus from infected mother during childbirth. In women, this virus can cause a number of pregnancy-related complications such as premature delivery and low birth weight. Because in some cases, this virus does not show symptoms for years. You can know if you have this virus by having a regular pap test. Pap test is a test that is done to identify the strain of this virus that causes cervical cancer. You can as well have a second test called HPV test. This test helps to identify other strains of this virus. How can one contact this HPV? A person can get human papillomavirus through the following means: having several sexual partners, having sex with someone who has had several sexual partners, having unprotected sex. This virus can spread through body contacts with infected person. Not having the HPV vaccination can also increase your risk of exposure to this virus. The risk of having cancer is higher if a person has HPV and has other infections such as chlamydia. If the person that has HPV also smokes tobacco products, or if the person also has a weakened immune system. HPV can lead to cancer. Currently, there is no cure for HPV, but you can protect yourself through the following preventive mechanisms. Get the HPV vaccine. Use protection during sex. Limit your number of sexual partners. Do not have sex with your partner when the genital warts are present. Avoid sharing towel and other personal items. You, as an infected person, can help prevent the virus from spreading when you avoid touching the warts unnecessarily. Wash your hands after touching the warts. Use footwear in public places. Treat and cover a wart until it disappears. HPV vaccine is very important for the prevention. The prevention of human papillomavirus is important because it helps to reduce the risk of cervical cancer. As HPV is the leading cause of cervical cancer. Also, genital warts can be uncomfortable and embarrassing. By preventing HPV, we can reduce the risk of cancer and other serious health-related problems. HPV vaccine is given to boys and girls between the age of 9 to 14. It can be given to people between age 27 to 45. Individuals up to 26 years old should see their doctor for the vaccine. I want you to know that this vaccine only prevents you from contacting new virus. It does not cure already existing virus. I want you to also note that as we have different strains of this virus, they affect different areas of the body. This virus does not travel through the body system. It manifests on body surfaces like skin. So, a person with oral wart cannot transmit it through the vagina. The person can only transmit it through oral sex, deep kissing, and intimate contact with the infected area. If you like the video and find it interesting, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.